will see about the ill effects of alcohol on pancreas. Yes, it can affect pancreas also, not just liver. Everyone knew that alcohol affects liver, which is commonly discussed. But pancreas is an organ which controls both digestion of the food which we take inside and also controls the body sugar levels, because that is the area where insulin and other hormones required to control sugar is produced. So, what can happen to pancreas if one consumes alcohol? At one end of spectrum, it can cause something called as acute pancreatitis. Pancreas-itis means swelling. So, the simplest form of pancreatitis, acute pancreatitis, will be like severe pain radiating to the back and severe vomiting, and this can at the most cause 1 or 2 days admission of the patient in the hospital. But in 20% of the patients who develop acute pancreatitis will develop something called as acute severe pancreatitis, in which there will be multiple organ failures, like patient will present with kidney failure, cardiac failure, respiratory failure, liver failure, and sometimes coma, also requiring ICU stay and ventilators. So, this in 50% of this 20% small group can lead to death also. Most importantly, this happens in productive age group. So, life lost is not just life lost for him, it is lost for his family also. And if someone survives the remaining half, so they tend to stay in hospital for nearly 2 to 3 months and nearly 20 to 30, 35 days in ICU. So, just imagine how much will be the financial crisis on the family. So, that is very, very important. It can cause otherwise something called as chronic calcific pancreatitis, in which the stone is formed within the pancreas, and over a period of time pancreas shrinks, does not produce enough enzymes to digest our food. So, food is passed through the motion undigested, this will lead to weight loss. This can also lead to diabetes because insulin production also comes down. The other end, alcohol can cause pancreatic cancer, and most importantly the pancreatic cancer 60 to 70% of the time is diagnosed in an advanced stage in which it is beyond the level of cure by surgery, and in such cases the life expectancy is somewhere between 6 months to 12 months only. So, it can cause acute pancreatitis, sometimes it can be severe acute pancreatitis leading to death or prolonged hospital stay with a severe financial burden on the family, can lead to chronic pancreatitis, and it can lead to pancreatic cancers also. So, better to avoid all this, say no to alcohol for the first time every time.